Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to change the USB C port and microphone in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. This is the Plus version. The version will be the same for the both of the phone. So first of all, we need to have these little things with element with a microphone and USB-C port. You can buy it separately. Next, you need to buy a back cover, or if your back cover isn't cracked, you can remove it without the damage it and replace one more time in this place. Also, you have to need the tools like a hair dryer and some plastic tool to open the back cover. So first of all, you need to heat this back element with the hair dryer like this and separately by your towel. So let's start the work. Okay, it's hot enough. Firstly, let's try with the plastic. If it will be hard, you need to try with the metal tool. Okay, the plastic is enough for this. And slide it around the back cover. It's easy to do when your back cover is heated. Okay, there is a hard part here because the back cover has damage, as you see. So it needs have to some patience to do it, because it's not easy. And I want to open in one piece. I need to help with the metal slider. Okay, so let's try to open it carefully. Okay, we are in. The back element was open in one piece like I wanted, and there is down part here, which we're gonna need to remove and replace with the new one. So unscrew all the screws on the back here. Okay, and this is the main element which we need to replace with the new one, and hope that this is gonna be repair our phone. The three elements here and lift it up. That's it, baby. Come on. Nine, 7, 6B. Okay. So replaced with the new one. Let's figure out, is this the same part? It seems to be same. KOR. Yep, it seems to be similar. We can of course take it in the new part here and set it here on the place. If you want it. Anyway, now we're gonna install this part here, figure it out, is it working. So we need to test it before the glue the parts. This is the buzzer. We don't need a buzzer here. Now install it in the right place. And now we need to test it before to glue the back element. Anyway, the operation is finished. All you need to do is to place in the right place your back cover. Here is glue, so you need to unstick this glue and just simply install it. But before you see, you need to replace, of course, the lens. Yep, here from this old element. Even if so you don't have a cracket, you can only replace back your old back cover. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!